Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add places to your collections created on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the collections button down below, which is the third option. Select your collection and tap on the add places button down below. Then you should select either a restaurant, coffee shop, or any kind of service. Then type in your location or type in the name of the service that you would like to add to your collection. Click on it and then tap on this save button at the top of the screen. Then you should select the collection and it will be added to it. Here you can add notes if you tap on the note button. Click on the save button and then here you will be able to find it in the collections section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.